How to fix Facebook enter confirmation code. In today's video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search here for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, and now you have to scroll down and click on storage. Where is storage? Here. Then go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click now on force stop, click also OK. And what you should do right now guys, you have to go to this option appear on top. You have to allow it like I'm doing, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another